Good morning, everyone. I am Chakshu Babbar from Chandigarh Group of Colleges. I am intern at Intellify and I am helping you with Physics Class 7. Today, our topic is measurement of speed. Speed. It is easiest way to find out which object is moving fast. Speed is the distance covered by an object in unit time. Higher the speed, more fast the object is moving. The speed has units kilometers per hour and meter per second. Measurement of speed. Speed is calculated by the formula speed is equal to distance divided by time. It is measured with help of a device called speedometer, and speedometer records speed directly in kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour is SI unit of speed. Other units of speed are meters per second. These units are interconvertible. We can convert kilometers per hour into meters per second. These are some questions which we will be doing. First question. Find speed when distance is 142 kilometers and time is 2 hours. We know speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance is 142 kilometers and time is 2 hours. So our speed will be 142 divided by 2, which is 71 kilometers per hour. Now we will do the second question. Find out the distance covered when speed is 960 kilometers per hour and time is 1 hour 50 minutes. In this question, first we will convert the speed into meter per second and time into seconds. Then we will multiply the speed and time as distance is equal to speed into time. So we will get our answer. Third question. Determine the time taken when distance is 7150 kilometers and speed is 780 kilometer per hour. The time, we know that time taken is distance divided by speed. So our distance is 7150 kilometers and our speed is 780 kilometers per hour. So our time will be 7150 divided by 780, which come out to be 9.166. So our time will be 9.16 hours. Fourth question. If distance traveled by train is 495 kilometers in 4 hours 30 minutes, what is its speed? We know that 4 hours 30 minutes is 4.5 hours. So we will apply formula of speed, which is distance divided by time. So our answer will be 495 divided by 4.5, which is 110. So our answer will be 110 kilometers per hour. A cyclist cover 950 meters in 5 minutes, but find his speed in kilometers per hour. So there are two ways to do that. The first way is to convert the distance into kilometers and time into hours, or the second way is convert the time into seconds and finding the speed in meters per second and then converting into kilometers per hour. The second way is easy and first way is difficult, so you can do it as you like. Now we will do our sixth question, which is speed of train is 72 kilometers per hour. Find speed in meter per second. It is easy question, we have done it previously, so you can do it. Seventh question. Express the speed of 60 meters per minute in kilometers per hour. It is a new type of question. Here the speed is in meter per minute, which is 60 meters for 1 minute or 60 meters for 60 seconds, which come out to be 60 divided by 60 meter per second, which is 1 meter per second. So we can convert 1 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Eighth question. A man's run at speed 10 kilometers per hour. How much time he will take to cover 750 meters? This is very easy question. So what we have to do, first we have to convert the speed into meters per second. Now we have the speed and we have the time. Now we have the speed and we have distance, so we can apply formula for time and find out the answer. Ninth question. Aaron ran 500 meters in 100 seconds. Find speed in kilometer per hour. It is also easy question. First we can find speed in meter per second, then we can convert it into kilometers per hour. 10th question. A cyclist travels at speed of 20 km per hour. How far he travels in 50 minutes? So in this question, first we have to convert the speed into meter per second and time into seconds. Then we can apply the appropriate formula to find the answer. So that's it for today. Thank you.